Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning. Ira Epstein of Lynn & Associates with your morning flash update for this Monday, the 12th of June, 2017, about 9:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. All right, my friends. Tech stocks continuing to sell off, led by Apple this morning, which had seen another downgrade from another analyst service, one of the banks. And as I'm looking at how this is now going, you know, what people are saying is it's rotation time. And that seems to be where we're at as we're heading into summer. Remember, we're not quite there yet. Metal markets, the silver really lost to gold quite a bit, and the palladium market is still mounting a big charge over the platinum market as they spread those. Remember that we start the two-day FOMC meeting tomorrow, and you're seeing a bit of a sell-off happening in the bonds and the notes. Now, the Midwest temperatures going through the plains right on through the East Coast are going to be in the 90s, and you would think that would have more of an impact to the upside than the downside in the grain markets. But what seems to be really going on right now is there's enough rain to make this almost they counter the two, so the crop's still going to look in fairly good shape. In the UK, what we've got still in Britain is Miss May has not yet put together her coalition, and that is a problem. At best, she's going to get a minority government, but the Irish, well, they've got the upper hand here, and they're demanding quite a bit of her if she wants their 10 seats to rule. If that cannot be put together, and I don't know if it will or won't, but if it can't be, you probably then see the change of leadership, and she will be out. So this is an important period of time for her. Can she get everything done? Any way you're going to look at it, if she stays in power, it's going to be a softer Brexit than it would have been had the snap elections gone her way. On the energy markets, a bit of a bounce happening for a change. Not dramatic, but there is one. You're already $1 off the lows in the crude. You're not getting that huge rally you would think with this 95-degree weather headed from the Midwest out east, and it's going to be in the 90s out east. You're not getting that much of a bounce there. And gasoline still basically struggling for any gains at all. So an interesting time for all of us. But what the elephant in the room is going to be all week long is going to be going into Wednesday. I shouldn't say all week. Right into Wednesday at 1 is what is Fed Chair Yellen going to do? How is her conversation with the press going to go? Is she going to sound dovish? And I think that's what the market's looking for. There's a 99.6% chance on the CME site that they're going to raise rates a quarter point. The question is, she's going to talk about rate hikes the second part of the year. However, we all expect there to be a very dovish tone to that, which means they may not happen. It depends on economic data. I want to remind you about Modern Trader, and when I say all this about the Fed, boy, what a good title. Profitable trading strategies in any market, and that's what you look at. We're now in the summer time frame. The markets start rotating, especially in stock indices, and they try to figure out what after the early summer happens as we get into fall. What does the outlook look at that point in time? Well, there are ways to trade. Flat-based patterns, corrective patterns, the rules that traders follow, all these different articles. How do you get this? You give us a call. You can go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. You can click up here if you're watching me on YouTube. This icon will take you right to the form for it, or under us on many websites. It says click here for Ira's free offers. Do so. Just fill out the form, and away you go. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourselves a great day, and I will talk to you all later this afternoon in our end of the day videos.